Hello students, welcome to second part of lesson water resources. The main point is multi-purpose river valley project or river valley project. What is multi-purpose project? A project which serves number of purpose at a time is known as river valley project or multi-purpose project. For example, these projects provide water for irrigation, control flood, generate hydroelectricity, and also help in soil conservation. In North India, Warangal is the largest river valley project. It provides water for the irrigation to Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. It also provides hydroelectricity to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and also help to control the flood. Now the main objective of this project means what are the benefit of this project. So first is generation of power or generation of hydroelectricity. In India, these projects produce 26% of total electricity. They provide us neat and pollution-free source of energy to our industries and agriculture. Second point, flood control. These projects control the flood because water can be stored in them. These projects have converted many rivers of sorrow into river of boon. For example, Kosi River in Bihar. Next is irrigation. So these projects provide water for irrigation in dry season. Next point, fifth is afforestation. It helps in preserving wildlife and natural ecosystem. Or sixth point, that is your water navigation. So multi-purpose river valley project often provide for inland water navigation through main rivers and canal. It is the cheapest means of transportation for heavy goods. Or next, fisheries. So these projects fisheries as food for many peoples, or it is the cheapest source of protein for our people. Next is tourist center. So these projects are well cared and are scientifically developed. So these become the center of tourist attraction, and in this way it is a source of the income for government. Next is what are the disadvantages of this project. If these projects are not planned properly, then we have to face many problems. First is the high cost. The initial cost of building the dams is very high. It requires a lot of capital and engineering skill along with modern machinery which is not available in India. Second is adverse impact on environment. So when these projects are set up, lot of plants, animals, flora, fauna and human settlement get submerged in the water reservoir formed by the dam. Next is adverse impact on the fertility of soil. So due to construction of dam, there is no annual flood in the rivers. So in the lower portion, there is lackness of alluvial soil or silt. Or next point is dispute between the different states. So sometimes there is conflict some states. For example, there is a conflict in the Narmada rivers in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Or next point is displacement of local communities. The building on large dam result in displacement of local communities. The local people often had to give up their land and livelihood, and their meagre access and control over resources for the greater flood of the nation. Today these are the some disadvantages of this project. But overall we have lot of benefit of this project. It provides employment to thousands of people, provide us free source of energy, cheapest source of energy, and income for the governments, afforestation, control the flood, and soil conservation. So these are the benefit of the river valley project. So again I am going to explain River Valley project. A project which serve a number of purpose at a time is known as multi-purpose river project or River Valley project. Both are same thing. Thanks.